In your globe ceiling fan box, you will find the mounting bracket, assembled down rod, fan motor housing, cover, decorative cover, canopy ring, 5 blades, canopy, receiver, remote control, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To install your ceiling fan, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. On the motor housing, loosen the 2 base screws to allow the down rod placement. Next, remove the locking pin from the down rod. Slide the canopy onto the down rod, then add the canopy ring. Ensure it is facing upwards. Finally, add the decorative cover. Next, carefully feed the wiring through the down rod. Once through, place the down rod into the fan motor housing and align the holes accordingly. Secure by reinstalling the locking pin. Then, tighten the screws until you feel resistance. Next, lower the decorative cover. You can now proceed to install the fan blades. With your desired finish facing up, slide the blade through the blade slit on the motor housing. Secure the blade using the included washers and fan blade screws. Tighten well to ensure the fan has no wobble. Rotate the fan and repeat the process for the remaining blades. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Then, loosen the mounting bracket's canopy screws. Lift the assembled fan to the ceiling and place the hanger ball into the mounting bracket opening. Rotate the fan as needed to ensure the groove on the hanger ball drops into the slot on the bracket and sits firmly. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket. Then, connect the cables from the receiver to the matching colored cables from the fan motor housing. Connect the hot black wire from the junction box to the black wire from the fan, and the neutral white wire from the junction box to the white wire from the fan. Secure with the wire nuts. Next, connect the junction box's ground wires and all ground wires from the fan together. Next, lift the canopy. Align the keyholes to the mounting screws and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screws to secure. Next, raise the canopy ring and align the arrowed slots to the mounting screws. Push the ring into the screws until the screw heads click into the slots. Rotate to lock into place. Center the black cover to the motor housing and rotate the cover clockwise to screw it onto the fan tightly. Install the remote's backplate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. You can now control your ceiling fan from anywhere in the room using the wireless remote. To turn the fan on and off, press the Globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. Once on, you can control the fan's speed by pressing one of the numbered buttons. You can also increase or decrease the speed using the up and down buttons near the bottom of the remote. For directional control, press the relevant arrow buttons. To push cool air down, press the button with the 3 arrows down graphic on the left. To circulate warm air, press the button with the 3 arrows up graphic on the right. To replicate a natural breeze, press the breeze button in the top half of the remote. To save your favorite setting, press and hold the gear button for at least 3 seconds. The LED indicator light will flash 3 times to confirm that the setting was saved. Once confirmed, anytime you want to return to your favorite settings, simply short press the gear button. Press the 2-hour or 4-hour button to set a timer for your fan. Once the time runs out, your fan will automatically turn off. Globe, the creative energy company.